If you're looking to streamline your testing workflow in Jira, today's tutorial is just what you need. I'm going to walk you through how to import cases directly from an Excel file into AIO tests, so you can quickly bring all your beautifully organized test cases into your project, save time, and prevent manual entry mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from spreadsheet to test case in just a few clicks. So let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have the AIO Tests app installed in your Jira environment. To do this, just head over to the Apps section within Jira. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar. Think of it like opening a toolkit in your workspace. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in AIO Tests. The app should pop right up. Click on Try It for free to install it. This usually only takes a minute or two, but depending on your network, it might be a little longer, so don't worry if you have to wait for a bit. When the installation wraps up, simply return to your Jira space and you're ready for the next phase. Now with AIO tests installed and ready, let's start the import process. In Jira, go to the Cases tab, which sits within your AIO Tests section. Think of this as your test case dashboard. This is where all the action happens. Look for the Import Cases button and give that a click. You'll land on the Import page, where you'll see multiple options for bringing in your test cases. Choose the File tab, then go ahead and select the XLS CSV option because we want to import our data from Excel or a CSV file today. The next step is uploading your file. Click on Browse to attach file. It's usually a blue or highlighted link. This will open a dialog box on your computer where you can find and select that Excel or CSV file you prepared earlier. Maybe you have dozens of pre-written test cases you carefully curated. Now's the moment to bring them to life in Jira. Once you've chosen the right file, hit Open, and the system will upload it for processing. If the upload takes a few seconds, that's perfectly normal. The system's just making sure everything's ready for mapping. When your file is uploaded, you'll see the mapping screen. This is a crucial moment. On the left, you'll see the headers straight from your Excel file, and on the right, you have drop-down menus for AIO tests fields. The platform does its best to match fields automatically, but it's really important here to double-check. For example, make sure your title in the spreadsheet matches the title field in AIO tests. That's like making sure all your ingredients go into the right bowls before baking. Same for steps. You want these matched properly so your individual test actions are imported accurately. You might see other mandatory fields depending on how your project is set up, so review them carefully. If there are user fields involved, like assigning test owners or authors, click on Select User Mapping. This lets you link names from your file to real Jira users, which makes reporting and tracking down the line so much smoother. Once you're happy with the mapping, it's time to start the import. Click that Start Import button when you're ready. Now, keep in mind, imports in AIO tests run in batches. Think of it like a queue at the bakery. Your cases will get processed as their turn comes up. If you want to check how things are going, just click the little down caret icon on the right side of the screen. This opens up the status tracker so you can make sure everything's moving along. And that's it, your test cases are now on their way into AIO tests, ready to be used in your next test cycle or sprint. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or tips to share, drop a comment below. For more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post regular guides to help you get the most out of your tools. Thanks for watching and happy testing.